Meaning of frazzled.
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 Frazzled. Frazzled refers to a state of extreme exhaustion and being mentally or emotionally worn out. It can be caused by prolonged stress, lack of sleep, or overwhelming situations. When someone is frazzled, they may feel irritable, forgetful, and disorganized. They may struggle to complete normal tasks or make decisions. Physically, they may experience headaches, muscle tension, and difficulty sleeping. Overall, being frazzled can have a significant impact on a person's mental and physical health, and it is important to take steps to manage stress and avoid burnout.